Hey, my name's Toni. Let's get straight into it. We're going to talk about the power of green juices and just juices in general, but we're going to focus more on the power of these amazing green juices. We have just literally juiced probably about 2 litres of green juice. I'm aiming for 1 litre every day, at least 5 times a week. Oh, your taste buds start to change. I always remember when I tried green juices, I never really enjoyed them, but my palate's changed, and also if you get the right ratios, mixture, then you are good to go. And this one is absolutely amazing. It's like a different version of the lemon ginger blast, which I always talk about. Anyways, there is a bit of stigma around juices in general, that there's too much sugar, and this is BS. And as I've talked about in my channel, it's not the sugar, it's not the sugar coming from fruits that is the issue. It's the processed sugar. It's the fats, the animal products mixed with the sugars, the processed sugars. So that's what's causing havoc. That's what's causing your health issues, your weight gain, your fatigue, and various other things. So when we start to realize that, let's go back to nature. Let's keep our diet simple. Back to basics. Yes, you could argue juicing is not natural because you're stripping the fibre. So there's 2 differences. I know some of you are going to ask me about the difference between a juice and a smoothie. Now, the smoothie is blended in a blender that keeps the fibre, that keeps everything. Juicing, however, strips the fibre. So you haven't got fibre in there. Now, some may argue, well, why not keep the fibre? Yes, fibre is absolutely amazing. This is the remains of the fibre, and this is great. You can even make dehydrated things with this, or I just put it back out in nature. I give it to the cows, the chickens, just the ground back into Mother Nature. Anyways, there's a purpose. There's a juice cleanse that you can do which removes mucoid plaque, and that's the sole purpose of a long-term juice cleanse, or like 30, 60, 90 days. I like to incorporate juices in my daily routine as much as I can, at least 4 or 5 times a week, because I'm getting an injection of these phytonutrients, these vitamins, these enzymes straight into my cells. Because I don't eat pretty much any processed crap, junk food. I can argue sometimes I'll slip it in, but overall I don't. My diet is pretty much raw vegan. It is. It's a raw vegan diet. So even if you are eating cooked foods, then have your juices earlier in the day. But I do try and encourage more raw foods in your day, like the raw until dinner, or high 80 to 90% raw or fully raw. So juices really give you that instant injection of goodness. Now, due to the consumption of all these processed foods, the cooked foods, the refined, the pickled, the sugar-laden foods, coupled with caffeine, alcohol, and cigarette consumption, and the high stress levels that we live in today's society, most of us have an acidic pH level, which contributes to all of our health issues and weight gain, chronic fatigue. Consuming green vegetables regularly alkalizes the body. So keeping your blood alkaline to what it should be at 7.3 to 7.5. When it's below 7, it's acidic. And most people are acidic. A refined, processed diet robs your body of vital nutrients and vitality. But greens, on the other hand, are full of enzymes, iron, calcium, potassium, magnesium, vitamin K, C, E, and many of the B vitamins. They take minimal digestion. The simpler your diet, the easier to digest your diet, the healthier, the more vibrant you're going to be. They do not tax the body of other nutrients during digestion. They contain powerful antioxidants that help support the immune system. The phytonutrients protect the cells from damage and our eyes from age-related issues. Chlorophyll found in green vegetables is great for purifying the blood and deodorizing the breath. You actually find the healthier you are, the less you smell. The reason why you have more energy is because it has all these vitamins and minerals and natural sweeteners. One tip I will give you though is choose the juices that aren't got additives, extra sugar from other sources in your juices when you are consuming them from coffee shops. A lot of them, sadly, they're just processed. They've got a lot of processed sugar and just not great for us. So we're not going to get the benefits as we would gaining from doing our own juices or going through at least an organic shop. This is so delicious. So what's in this one? This has apples, cucumber, lettuce, some spinach, parsley, lemon. So it's a little similar to the lemon ginger blast, a touch of mint, turmeric, ginger, and celery. Lots of apples. So good. I'll share the recipe in the description. Also the lemon ginger blast, you've got to try that if you haven't already. These are super delicious and super good for us. That's going to keep our skin glowing, our eyes white, our hair healthy, and just feeling our best. So I highly recommend going for green juices on a regular basis. If you've got any questions, do comment below. Do check out my other videos as well on the raw vegan living lifestyle. Not even going fully raw, but look at high raw and really experiment on this amazing journey of raw foods. If you like this video, thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, also turn on the bell notification to be notified of the next videos and also to support the channel. Be, feel, and stay Rawlicious.